A quick update on Alice here. So clearly, your support to watch is the 618 here at 112, the high or low to the high. Off of these two green wicks that spawned in, we broke the uptrend, back tested it as resistance, hit the 786, and off of this new wick here below the point 0.5. If the 618 does not hold here, then you are going to end up dropping, which is highly likely, back down to the 786 here and dropping about 25% down to 88. Just the market structure here does not look great at all. So 88 should be your bottom, hopefully. If we look back in the past here, every time this thing tries to form some sort of a bottom, it breaks down. Bottom here, had a little bitty uptrend, broke that uptrend, and then ultimately on this candle here, it broke that low potentially back here and went to a new low. So it's all going to depend on the strength of the 786 here, which I may add. A lot of things have been breaking the uptrends lately, coming down to that 786, and they're all getting nice bounces now. So I would say the force is very strong with the 786, especially when it comes to potentially coming back down to the low and making a new low. We're seeing these things hold up. So 88 is your big price to watch. Any lower than that, then you are going to end up dropping back down to that low at about 63 to 64. And at that point, you know, you could potentially make a new low and break down below that. So that is a 45% drop from today. So right now, I would focus on 112 and then 88, and then ultimately the prices to get back over are, of course, those smaller ones, but ultimately it has to get back over the 236 at 155 to get any kind of momentum going back up. And then, of course, we do have our green line. We drew on the chart a while back at about 197, almost $2, just due to the fact that we have the support back here, resistance here. It is not a Fibonacci level. And then, of course, it will act as resistance once again, potentially. It doesn't have to, but it is a price to take note of. And then, of course, we're not bullish on Alice until we get over 271 at the 382 here. But as you guys know, if you watch the channel here, the overall chart, if we just look at it, the price down here below the 382, down below the 236, when nobody wants to buy this thing, this is the time to be buying, in my opinion, because it is going to have some sort of move, this bull market cycle. And with that being said, if it only comes up to the 618 at about 667, that is a 467% move, so about a 5.5x. And if you think it's going to easily do a 618 retracement, then you're guaranteeing yourself a 5x on something here. For something like Alice, you know, if you throw a little bit of money in here, some profit, roll it over in here for a play, you know, you could easily get a 5x out of your investment here. Now, to come up to the 786 at about 1260, a 806 $60 million market cap is about a 10.5x to do a 786 retracement. And if you're just overall bullish on Alice for this cycle or the next, whenever this thing is going to go up here, the new high at the 1272 at 8063, a $5.4 billion market cap, and about a 68.5x from today. So, what are your thoughts on Alice? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.